airport, we have been instructed to slow down, and also we might be having 1 or 2 holdings at a certain point before we can continue with approach. For now, it doesn't look that we are going to be delayed more than 5 to maximum 10 minutes, so we apologize for any inconvenience that might cause to you.
August in the summer here in Taiwan. Oh, gee, I think it's starting to rain out, which is kind of nice because it's very humid and hot, and that will cool things down. But this film, I'm going to show you some footage of film I took back in February when I visited Hong Kong. And the place that we went to on one of our day trips was Dragon's Back, and a very nice place to go hiking. We were staying in North Point and in Hong Kong, and so we took the public transportation to get to Dragon's Back. Now, probably the best way, as I see on the internet here, according to some information, the best way to do is take the MTR to Shao K1 station, go to exit A3, then take bus 9 to Totei 1, and then you can get on a nice trail heading towards Dragon's Back. But we did a different way, and take a look at this. There's a map here, and what I think we did is we got off at the station, and then we took a road which led us through a cemetery. So, I mean, I wouldn't really recommend that unless you're an aficionado of cemeteries. We entered, we got onto the Dragon's Back that way, which is, probably not the optimum way. So on the way back, we took the bus. We got the mini bus back to the train station. So we came back a different way. Okay, so here we are, and we're at Pottinger Peak Country Trail. This will lead us to Dragon's Back. This direction.